Aloha. This is part 2 in my series on how to get organized. Now, part 1 is you need to get your thoughts together and make a plan for the day. Part 2 is to make sure all your tools, peripherals, and parts are someplace where you know where they are. The first thing you're going to need is a really good label maker. As you can see, this is my main workbench. This is my toolbox, all labeled. These are all nuts, bolts, and other tools that are also all labeled. This is my paint locker, which has every conceivable type of paint, and it's labeled. So this is the left side of my garage, and that's how I know when I get started on a project where to go for the tool, the part, the nut, bolt, whatever else. If you look on the floor here, that's basically just a junk drawer full of parts. And I had 30 or 40 of those. Now to make those turn into these took me about 3 or 4 days. But now I don't have to run down to Lowe's every time I want a nut or bolt. Anyway, that's the beginnings of how to get organized to do your DIY projects. Aloha and stay safe.